the recipes with me. So let's get started. So for today's recipe, I have sandwich. So this is not a normal sandwich. This is paneer, cheese and double paneer sandwich. So let's get started. So guys, now I'll show you the ingredients. For the ingredients, we need bread. How much do you want? And from cheese, 1 or 2 blocks cheese, grated or sliced. And we have this paste filled with onions, green chili and tomatoes and chili flakes and chili powder, garam masala and chaat masala, and we need some salt and chili powder, and we need some tomato and ketchup, and and grilled paneer and tomatoes also, guys. So now after mixing this, we'll get this beautiful paste, and so now we are gonna get started with the official recipe. So now guys, we have to take some room temperature butter, this much, and just you have to be very careful. And this benefits of the sandwich is we can make it for breakfast or like snacks for ourselves, to treat our mother and father also. As a kid or as a teenager, I would like to make this daily. So now we have to take this much, just apply it. And take some cheese and just spread it over there. And since it's set, we just keep our big spoon here since we can't use our hands. Like that, we have to set it for 2 minutes. So I will make another one and show you how. Since we have kept the first layer on, we have to gently take one bread. Do not press it hard, just press it lightly. And we have to leave it for 2 minutes and we can let it flip it. Okay guys, after 2 minutes, here comes the task. So just gently slide it in. Gently slide it in. Take another one. Take another spatula. Just it like that. That's a trick for you guys. I invented it. I'm a success chef. So let it stay for 2 minutes.
I forgot to record afterwards, but this is the final result. It tastes so yummy, guys. Do try at home. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.